I don't see the plane.
I see it.
I still don't see the plane.
I see it.
Okay, I see the
I
plane.
still see it.
You got eyes of an eagle. Do you know that?
What's important is that I can see it.
You have eyes of an eagle. I wish you could see without your glasses.
50%.
Oh, it's getting better.
50%.
As long as the sun stays out, it's just making it better. Whoop, disappeared.
25%. 50%. 50%.
Perdido. Perdido key.
5%.
No. Perdido.
25%. 50%. 50%. Time gear up. 50%.
You gotta wait. Okay.
25%. 50%.
That wind is kind of crazy up there.
I hear it. That plane's having a little problem trying to.
Fifty percent. 50%. 50%. 25%. 50%. Reverse fall. 0. 25%. 0. Gear up. 50%. 50%.
You made this to the base in Texas. It was a bad.
50%.
Went out
0.
there to see what's going on. Like about from here where those
25%.
buildings are.
50%.
He hit the ground there to start. The airplane was like back there. He's out. No, it was a train.
25%. 25%. 0.
They lost all the control, so he maneuvered it by, he thrust it in.
25%. 0. Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes. 50%. 0. 25%. 50%. 50%. 50%. Fuel remaining 2 minutes 23 seconds. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%.
So I charge all my batteries now for storage.
50%. 25, 50%. 25%, 50%. 0. 25 for 0. Reverse mode.
Yeah, yeah. And I'll see what it is. Whoa. Does he have a flight simulator?
50%.
Man, that wind is kicking my tail.
50%. 50%. G-force 4.19. 50%. 50%. 50%.
Oops, that didn't work.
50%.
I bet you haven't had any swell, right?
Fell out of the cloud.
Yeah, as long as you keep it at a good. I keep it on a good charge. Not fully charged, do you?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
No, that's not good.
That's why I got it on the starter.
That's why the lithium have that. Yeah, you know who does that? Mark. Mark turned me on to that. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. They're good for the.
0.
Okay, this baby is okay. Very good.
25%. 50%.
Get up. You go over to your daughters or something?
How much money for next year? How much I'll get?
50%. 0. 25, 0.
Ooh, nice.
Whoa, little hard.
Reverse
Nice
call.
angle. Tactical estimate. Wow, no big difference. Okay.
Nope.
Good. All right, get some more on my maneuver.
There you go.
4G. Nah, I think I'm too fast.
Too fast, too high.
Yeah, I'm gonna go round.
Looking good. That'll bleed off the earth. Very good. Very good.
All right, I'll take it. Do they have any?
0. 50%.
Oh, it looks good. Oh, isn't it pleasant behind that cloud?
Yep.
Oh, that's nice.
Really nice.
Jeez. Ooh, but I'm still a little bit nervous from the flight.
I got a 3-page letter about what the county was going to move us over there.
Oh, was. You mean again?
No. When they was fighting back and forth.
Uh-huh.
They said, well, we can move you way by the creek.
Oh, for because of the housing
Yeah, we've
bitching?
still been able to fly.
G-force
Yeah.
4.8.
But
Okay.
there's not been much room for parking. Plus, they didn't come because they paved runway. We could have kept that one.
No, you want to pay. Whoa, nice. All your planes axial like that, huh?
Yeah.
50%. 25%.
Well, that makes, to me, that
50%.
make it more wobbly.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
That's the way my F-16 was. No aileron, no rudder.
What no, it's just rudder and elevator? No.
Elevon.
Elevon.
Elevator, like if I want to turn right.
Yeah. Right.
And of course, my nose wheel.
50%. 25 for 50%.
Booking. He wants to use both. He wants to use both. Yeah, both. And have him just plug your phone in. And
Zero.